Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the end date, or if you like, a start date for your sprints on Jira, for example, for Scrum board. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your Jira site and select your Scrum board. Let me go with that one here for demonstration purposes. And what you want to do after that, guys, is switch to the backlog view here at the top. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to customize your sprint, like by clicking into these three dots next to the given sprint or next to complete sprint, and click into edit sprint here. And after that, you will be redirected to that window. So here you may customize the start date as well as the end date for the given sprint. Now, if the given sprint has already started, it's going to turn out to be pretty difficult to change the start date. But you can do that you can do that easily for the end date. Simply change it here by clicking into that date, change the new date and update it here. And that's basically it. Now, if you, for example, click into sprints you haven't started yet, because as you can see, that start sprint button here is still unlocked because I haven't added any items or issues to that sprint. You may do that, of course, as well, and edit that sprint as well as its start as well as end date here. But that's pretty obvious, guys, for sprints we haven't started yet. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.